am never going to put the same energy to someone like I did for you. I spent countless hours during nights thinking of what I could do to make myself better for you. I wanted to show you how much I care about you and the love I can offer. But them same nights slowly started turning into darkness. I started overthinking. Am I not good enough? Will I ever be enough? Am I just being used to heal them from their past? But the overthinking was right. You showed me how easy it was for you to forget about me. Like nothing ever happened and I never existed. All I ever wanted was for you to feel like you mattered and that your existence has an impact. But clearly you didn't appreciate me enough. And because of that, you have changed me forever. I will never give the same love to anybody like I did to you. All I ever wanted was pure good intentions, but it was never enough. I still wish you the best, but from a distance. But what you did to me is unforgettable. And for that, I thank you for the lesson you have taught. Goodbye.